Hello, this is Vince. So, little job for today will be we're going to fill this crack in, okay, with JB Weld quick wood. Then we're going to let it sit up for about an hour or so. Probably cut this thing in half and then take it down on the lathe. So let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, I've crammed about the first half of this stuff into the crack. I'm going to mix up the second half, and this is all it is. You just knead it and cram it in, and then we'll let it sit. Okay, so we'll let this baby sit for about an hour. This was a old piece of wood, Tulip Poplar, that I got from my brother Rick. Developed a crack. So let's just see what happens with this epoxy. Okay, thanks. Hey, good morning. This is Vince. Got this thing chucked up, and we're going to be ready to go in a minute. So this is half the piece from yesterday. So you can see here, this is the epoxy. And it's in pretty good shape, so we're going to go ahead and turn it. Let's see what happens. See you in a little bit. Bye. Hello, this is Vince. Took off my safety equipment so we could do a coffee break. So this is where we are. This is what I've turned this down to. Now this part will be what's called my tenon, and I will put that into a 4-jaw chuck, and that'll hold it like that. This part right here, this is the part that's the wood epoxy. And you can see that's working out pretty good. So down here, this little dark area, that is actually some acrylic resin. I originally thought about doing acrylic resin, but I had problems with it leaking out. So that's why I decided to try to go for the epoxy. So nice little knot there. So I think I'll put my mask back on, sand it up a little bit, then we'll switch over to the 4-jaw chuck and drill out the center. Thanks. Okay, so time for another coffee break. So I went ahead and did the inside, done a little bit more sanding. Once again, there's the strip with the epoxy. Okay. And other than that, I think it's pretty, just pretty nice for a quick project. Basically a cracked piece of wood, which would have went in somebody's wood stove. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sanding sealer on it, make it a little more purty. Okay, it's time for the Axe sanding paste and then the paste wax. So right now I've smeared this baby with the Axe sanding paste. And then you just come in and work it in. Turns out very nice. I'll finish this up and then I'll show you after I get the wax on. Okay? And this is after the wax goes on. So now we'll take it off and we'll cut off the tenon down here. I'll take it outside and brand my initials into it, and then we'll pretty much be done. Thanks for watching.